to play Dandy's World.
Wait.
Gabriel, you have a charger?
Please tell me we have some iPhone chargers. We don't have any iPhone chargers. Are you laughing or coughing?
Coughing.
Yo, is he good? Oh my god, which face reveal? Which face reveal? Alright, y'all. Today I'm going to show you my tunes in Dandy's World. So this is these tunes. Yo! I think she's getting possessed by a demon. I am sending you some help immediately. I am sending you some help immediately.
Enough. I understand, but enough.
Alright, I am now. Are you okay?
It was just a prank. Chill. It was just a prank.
Oh.
Yeah, I was recording this whole time. Damn it! Emotional damage.